So today in this presentation we are going to study about the mineral resources, that is chapter 4 in class 8 geography. You know that minerals are naturally occurring substances that has a definite chemical composition. Absolutely. Each and every mineral has a definite chemical composition in it and they are naturally occurring substances. And one thing to be noted here is that all minerals are not evenly distributed in this earth. They are unevenly distributed over the spaces. The example, you could find iron and ore at one particular place and coal at some other particular place. But in every region, we do find some minerals and iron ores. They are concentrated in particular area or rock formation, especially when you see about these sedimentary and metamorphic rocks and igneous rocks, you would find a few minerals like fossil fuel minerals and iron minerals, etc. And even these minerals are found in Antarctica. You see, all these minerals are created by nature. They are naturally created without any human interference, and that is why we have more than 3,000 different minerals, and the minerals are identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, chemical properties such as solubility and hardness. So on the composition of on the basis of composition, the minerals are mainly classified into metallic and non-metallic minerals. And again, these metallic minerals have been classified into two different types, that is ferrous and non-ferrous. When you speak about ferrous, it means iron. So those metallic minerals which contain iron are known as ferrous metallic minerals, and those which do not contain iron are known as non-ferrous metallic minerals. So metallic minerals, as I told you earlier, metallic minerals are those which contain metal in raw form. And you know that metals are hardest substance and they conduct heat and electricity. In such a case, metallic minerals have been classified into ferrous and non-ferrous, where ferrous is minerals which contains iron ore in it, for example, manganese, chromites, and iron ore, and non-ferrous do not contain any iron, for example, gold, silver, or lead. So the non-metallic minerals are limestone, mica, gypsum, where these do not contain any ferrous minerals in them. And even now we could study about mineral fuels like coal, petroleum, and these are also the non-metallic minerals. And when we study about the minerals, we should know how to extract them, because as I told you earlier, they are created by the nature and human intervention is not there, and it takes more than millions of years in formation of minerals. And when we could find it in a certain specified rocks. So how to extract minerals? So the extraction consists of three different types, that is mining, drilling, and quarrying. You all know what is mining. Mining is nothing but the process of taking out the minerals that are buried under the rocks is known as mining. So if it is buried under the shallow depth, nearer to the depth, and we can remove it very easily, and such kind of extraction is known as open cast mining. And if some minerals are found in the deep layers of the earth, and deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach those mineral deposits that lie in the greater depths. And such kind of extraction of minerals is known as shaft mining. And the second type is that drilling. So you all know that drilling, you would have heard about the drilling near Mumbai in Bombay High where the petroleum is extracted. So petroleum and natural gas are found far below the earth's surfaces, and we could not go and reach the far below the earth's surface shaft mine or a deep mine. And that is why we make a bore, and that is known as drilling. So deep wells are bored to take them out, and this process is known as drilling. And the minerals that lie on the surface of the earth are simply dug out by the process of known as quarrying. So these are the three different types of extraction method followed to extract the minerals which are found under the. So when I speak about the minerals, as I told you earlier, that there are more than 3,000 minerals in this earth, and most probably all these minerals are found in igneous, metamorphic, and some are found on sedimentary rocks. Generally, metallic minerals are found in igneous and metamorphic rocks, and whereas mineral fuels are found, such as coal and petroleum, are found in the sedimentary rocks. So now On the basis of the rock formation, on the basis of the earth, various minerals are distributed all around the world because every minerals are not distributed evenly and they are unevenly distributed all over the world. So in case of Asia, when you speak about the distribution of minerals of other continents, when you speak about Asia, Asia has large iron ore deposits, particularly China and India has the large iron ore deposits, and this continent produces more than half of the world's tin. So then iron ore and tin, we also have a lot of minerals like tin, tungsten, bauxite, nickel and copper, where China, Malaysia and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. And next when we speak about Europe, Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. Mineral deposits of copper, lead, zinc are found around the European and European Russia. So countries like Sweden, France has large deposits of iron ore. So this continent, Europe, has largest iron ore deposits in the world. So when you come across North America, the North America is one of the continent which has many mineral resources, and mineral deposits are found in North America. They have been localized in three different zones. One is a Canadian Shield region, and another one is Appalachian region, and other one is the mountain range on the west side. So the Canadian region, which is found on the north of the Great Lakes, is one of the region where we could find iron ore, nickel, uranium, and copper. And gold is also found in a larger extent in that Canadian region. And in Appalachian region, which is present in the middle and the center of North America, we could find a lot of gold which is distributed around those regions. And when you speak about the mountain ranges on the west, we get lot of copper, zinc, and silver. So North America is one such continent which has the largest extent of distribution of minerals. And when you come to South America, it is one of the continent which has a very good mineral resources of chromium, manganese, and bauxite. In North South America, Brazil is the country which produces a high grade of iron ore in the world, whereas Chile and Peru are the leading producers of the copper. As China and Asia produces the more tin in this world, this continent, Brazil and Bolivia, in this continent, Brazil and Bolivia also produces the large amount of tin, whereas the mineral oils petroleum is found in Venezuela, Argentina, and Colombia. And when you come to Africa, you all know that Africa is rich in mineral resources. You would have heard about South Africa, which has largest deposits of the gold, and you would have heard about Libya, which has a very good iron ore. So, South Africa and Zaire produces the world's large portion of world's gold, and it is the world's largest producer of diamond and platinum. So in Africa, mineral oil is also found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. So when you speak about Australia, you all know that Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world, as how India is the largest producer of mica, and it is also the leading producer of gold, iron ore, tin, and nickel. The areas of Western Australia like Coleridge and Kalgoorlie have largest deposits of gold. So in Antarctica, the geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of a variety of mineral deposits, and there are some probably large, but we don't have such a kind of technology to go and extract the minerals that are found in Africa. So when you study about these continents, that is Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Australia, and Antarctica, we found that the minerals are found not found very even, and they are unevenly distributed around the spaces, and they are distributed where we could find a high amount of igneous and sedimentary rocks, and we could also find the mineral oils where we could find the strata of sedimentary rocks. And when I speak about India, the mineral distribution is also not even distributed in India. In India also there are uneven distribution of mineral resources, where we can see that axis, that is from northwest axis. It is where we have a very good, very high amount of mineral resources. When you speak about in India, when you speak about iron, one of the mineral resources, the iron has a deposits of high grade ore, and India produces one-fourth of the world's iron ore resource. And this iron ore is mainly found in Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Karnataka. This iron is mainly used to make steel, which are used for making all types of machineries, agricultural implements, and etc. And next, when we discuss about bauxite is the ore from which aluminium is extracted, and that aluminium is used in manufacturing of aircrafts, engine of automobiles because they rust free, and aluminium foil and kitchenware fittings. Since aluminium is a very good excellent conductor of heat, it is used in electrical appliances and transmitting wires. Aluminium, this bauxite mineral are found in the areas of Jharkhand, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat. And next, copper. You all know that copper is one of the earliest used metal by the human beings. And it was used from the ancient period. And copper is a very good conductor of heat and electricity. And mainly it is used and extensively and mainly it is used in electrical industry for making wires and electrical appliances. And it is also used for making coins, pipes, and etc. It is used in everywhere. It is used to make vessels also. The large amount of deposits of copper is found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. Mica. India is one of the world's largest producer of mica, and high deposits of mica and distributions of mica are found around Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand. Mica is mainly used in electrical and electronic industry and can withstand a very high voltage. Therefore, mica is used in electronic industry as insulators, and it is used as fans and welding rods. And manganese. Manganese is an important mineral used to manufacture steel alloys. It is found in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Manganese is also used for making glass, bricks, and plastics. And limestone. You all know that we build houses with the use of the cement and concrete, and that cement is made from limestone, and limestone is used in cement and concrete industry. The large amount and extent and distribution of limestones are found around Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, Jharkhand, Bihar, Rajasthan, and Tamil Nadu. It is also used for making sealants and low-cost paints and construction fillings. Gold. Gold is one of the most precious thing. It is mainly used for making jewelry. And the gold deposits in India is Kolar and Kuti in Karnataka. So these mines are among the deepest mines in the world, which makes mining of this ore a very expensive process. And this is not only serves as a jewelry making jewelry, it also serves as the medium in foreign trade and foreign exchange. And the next mineral is salt. You all know that salt is obtained from sea, lakes, and rocks. And Gujarat and Tamil Nadu are the largest producer of salt, and India is also one of the leading producer and exporters of salt. And mainly salt is used in food industry and in chemical industry. So we have studied about the minerals, how to extract the minerals, and the distribution of the minerals around the world, and distribution of minerals in India. So how far it is being used? So what are the extent of the minerals have been used? So minerals are very, very, very useful in many industries. Minerals are used for germs are usually hard, and they are used in making jewelries. Copper is one such metal which is used in everything from coins to which is used in everything in making from coins to pipes. Silicon is used in computer industry in obtaining from quartz. Aluminium obtained from bauxite is used in automobile industries and construction of aeroplanes and even in kitchen cooking. So extraction of minerals, when you study about the extraction of minerals, we human beings extract those minerals in an unjudicious manner, and we use all those minerals in an unjudicious manner. So you all know that these are the natural process, and it takes more than millions of years to regenerate. So we are in need where we should conserve these resources because they are non-renewable resources. Which cannot be renewed very easily. It takes thousands and millions of years for the formation. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate in which the human we consume those minerals. So therefore, it is necessary to reduce the wastage of the minerals in the process of mining, and we should reuse and reduce using of minerals and try to recycle so that the mineral resource can be conserved. Thank you.